Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Bojor Pet Nail Grinder for dogs and cats. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. Check it out. They walk you through some of the key tech specs and features. So this has a 4.8 volt motor. Woods lamp, which is great if you have a cat and you're trying to identify fungus. That'll be able to help the fungus light up so you can see it on your pet. Multiple speed settings, so we have 2 speed settings for our grinder. It's a cordless grinder. It takes USB to charge. It takes around 3 hours to fully charge and you get 3 hours of battery life, and it has a built-in light. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our user guide and manual right here walking us through everything we need to know about the product and its tech specs and how to charge on this side. Then you can see on the other side, we have our application for how to use, how to clean, and precautions to take while using. Next, you can see we have our USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable, an additional cover depending on the nail size of our pet. And we have the grinder itself right here, so check it out. You can see our buttons and controls, a nice ergonomic shape, fits comfortably in our hand. On the bottom, you can see we have more product information and our USB Type-C charging port. You can see it from the back side. Here it is from the top with our protective cover. We can go ahead, we can remove that. And now you can see the grinding head right here. So we can go ahead, we can remove that. It's replaceable with the other one. Like I said, depending on the size of your pet, you just twist it right in. So if we want to use the smaller one, we can easily replace and easy to clean. You can also see right here, we have our built-in lights. So let's go ahead, let's turn off all the lights so we can test out the built-in light. So with the studio lights off, let's go ahead, let's turn the light on and check that out. That's plenty bright because you only need to have it illuminate the area that you're grinding right here. So no issue at all there. We can press it again and that's going to illuminate our black light for our Woods lamp. That's what we got going on right there. And then we can press it again to turn everything off. Now let's go ahead, let's power it on. So we have 2 speed settings. Currently it's off. We're gonna slide this up to the first setting right here. And you can see the light automatically came on. That's very quiet. Not bad. Now let's go ahead, let's go to our fastest speed setting. Still very quiet considering how fast that's moving and what it's going to be able to do to easily grind our pet's nails. And then it's clearly marked at the bottom. We have 1 and 2. So 2 is showing right now. And then we can go back. You can see now 1 is just showing down here. And then we flip it off. The 0 is now exposed. So without anything else to do, let's go ahead and try it out. All right, so you can see we got Doug the dog here, and we're gonna go ahead. We're just gonna get him acclimated to the nail grinder. So you can see we're gonna turn it on right here. And he's not afraid of it or anything. He's actually just curious, and he's sniffing it. So you can see even at the maximum setting, it's not gonna be too loud that your pet is gonna run away or anything from it. But let's go ahead, let's just start with the first speed setting here, and you can see where we can grind his nail. So let's grab his paw, and then you can see we have his nail right there. They don't need to be trimmed that much. He just had his trimmed recently. But then we just take his paw and the nail and just gently grind him like you see right here. And it's not going to hurt him. Just do a couple of seconds on and back off. And now we can look, you can see there's debris in here now from grinding his nail. So let's take that same paw. Let's do another one. So we're going to grind this one a little bit. There we go. Very simple. And you can see that he's not hurt at all, and it's very quick. So I want to point out that with this nail grinder, we have that nice plastic protective cover. So you're really only grinding the nail and you don't have to worry about bumping into anything else on your dog or your cat, like the bottom pads or anything like that. When you just put the nail right up to that, that's going to be the only thing that you're going to grind. So let's go ahead. We have one more left on here, and it's right up here on the side. You can see it barely, but this one needs to get a little trimmed. And if we wanted to, we could up the speed. And there we go. It's just that simple. So it's never a bad idea to bribe your pet with treats to reward their good behavior during their trimming. So let me share with you guys my final thoughts in regards to this pet nail grinder. Overall, everything works great. And as advertised, it's on the quieter side of things. It's super simple to use, and it has USB Type-C, which is a nice feature. Don't forget about Wood's lamp. I was not able to test that on my dog, but if you are curious about your pet and if they have any fungus on them or a weird looking spot on their skin, that's going to be a helpful tool for you to know when it's time to take your pet to the vet. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.